About to go where no man has gone before. It's a bold strategy, Cotton. See how it plays out for him.
Sometimes you just gotta do it. Like pulling a Band-Aid. Cramps. I don't even know if I want to get down on my glove. Ooh. Ooh.
Catch the whip.
Oh.
Catch the whip.
Oh.
Oh, God. Oh, it's broccoli. Oh, that's bad. Hey, let's see what we're working with here. Oh, yeah.
I can't do it.
Oh, man.
He wasn't ready.
Oh, that's bad. What is that?
I need more. I need gloves.
Oh, yeah.
I need gloves.
Oh.
I'm getting Nick some new gloves.
Okay. Oh,
What are we gonna do with this?
Any final words?
He wasn't ready.
Just hold your breath. Hold your breath. It's going through the t-shirt, man.
I tasted it.
Oh.
It's gonna burn my eyes. Oh, there's gnats. Oh, it's gnats.
Is that what it was? Oh, yeah. Oh, it tastes so good.
Starting to smell like ammonia.
Yeah, let's call it a day.